comfortably on my head. So if you can take a look here, what I'm about to put on this topper is getting ready to go out to an Indian wedding party right now. The toppers stay on. These clips are the best clips. They hook into whatever hair you have, and as you can see, I don't have a lot of hair up here, but they hook in perfectly. These ones lie flat, as you can see, and they make me feel absolutely beautiful when I go out. To me, there is no comparison as to what you saw before when I had my topper off and when I have this topper on. I'm wearing it to a wedding now, and I also wear it to the grocery store. I wear it when I'm going to work, and I can't. The only regret that I have is that I waited years of having alopecia, of having androgenic alopecia. I waited more years than I needed to in order to come to UniWigs and buy my first topper. That was 6 years ago. I wish it had been 10 years ago that I had bought my first topper at UniWigs. I struggled with a lot of hair anxiety over the years, and I'm 42 now, but my hair loss started from when I was around 18, 19, and it happened really gradually. And one of the things that I hated a lot is just looking at myself in the mirror, and I would, put on makeup and I'd feel good about how I looked, and then I would look at the top of my head and I didn't feel good about myself. I felt like something was like that there was a piece that was missing. UniWigs has completely given me back confidence in hair that I didn't have since I was a teenager. It has given me confidence to feel great about myself at work. I'm so lucky. Like I have friends and family who wouldn't care whether I have thinning hair or not, but I care. I care how I look. I care what I look like when I look in the mirror. And when I put one of these UniWigs toppers on, I feel transformed. I feel like this is how I'm supposed to look. And I know that there's some women out there who might have anxieties about, well, how can I go from having really thin hair to putting a topper on and it looking different? Well, the only thing I can say is that you've seen my before, now look at my after. And if you think that the after looks better than the before, then it doesn't matter if people are going to notice a difference, because that difference is great and that difference is going to make you feel awesome. UniWigs has helped me from having a sick feeling in the pit of my stomach when I used to look in the mirror and see my bald spots up top, to now looking in the mirror and smiling and feeling beautiful, because that's how I feel every time I put a UniWigs topper on. I feel like me. I feel beautiful.